What happens when razor-sharp wit meets unfiltered political satire? Enter Bill Maher, a comedian, commentator, and cultural provocateur whose career has been built on fearless discourse and unapologetic truth-telling. From his legendary stand-up to his opulent Beverly Hills estate, there's a lot to uncover. So hit that subscribe button, and let's dive in. A satirist whose wit slices through political hypocrisy like a master sculptor chiseling away the excess, Bill Maher has long occupied a rarefied space in American comedy. His sharp-tongued, unrelenting approach to sociopolitical discourse propelled him into the national consciousness, first through Politically Incorrect and later with Real Time with Bill Maher, a show that cemented his reputation as an unfiltered, unapologetic commentator. Born in 1956 to William Aloysius Maher Jr., a network news editor, and Julie Maher, a nurse of Hungarian descent, Maher inherited both an analytical mind and an unwavering curiosity about the world. Raised alongside his sister, Kathy Maher carved out his own path, refusing to conform to traditional expectations, which perhaps explains his steadfast aversion to marriage. Though his professional accolades are many, including his 2005 ranking as number 38 on Comedy Central's 100 Greatest Stand-Up Comedians of All Time, Maher's life outside the studio is just as compelling. With a net worth soaring past the $140 million mark, he leads a life that effortlessly blends intellectual indulgence with hedonistic pleasures. A fervent lover of the written word and an aficionado of classic films, Maher has always balanced his political cynicism with a penchant for the finer things, be it literature, fine wine, or the company of intelligent, captivating women. Currently, he shares his time with Anjali Prasad, a Canadian singer-songwriter whose own artistic pursuits complement his world of sharp observations and biting humor. Luxury has never been a stranger to Maher, whose real estate portfolio is as impressive as his political tirades. Though he has owned multiple properties, including a palatial Mediterranean-style mansion on a 3.2-acre estate in Beverly Hills valued at $20 million, it is his longtime residence in the coveted Beverly Hills post office neighborhood that stands as the true embodiment of his personal sanctuary. Comprised of 3 contiguous parcels, one of which he acquired from Ben Affleck in 2003, this estate is not just a home, but a testament to refined taste, intellectual grandeur, and understated opulence. Stepping into Maher's residence is akin to entering a world where sophistication meets serenity. The grand entrance, framed by towering hedges and a discreet wrought iron gate, opens into an architectural marvel that effortlessly blends modern minimalism with classic charm. The interiors are a masterclass in design. Clean lines, open spaces, and an abundance of natural light create an atmosphere of both grandeur and warmth. The living room, an expansive haven of understated luxury, features floor-to-ceiling windows that offer breathtaking views of the manicured gardens, allowing sunlight to spill over carefully curated art pieces and custom-designed furniture. Plush yet structured seating arrangements invite guests into an ambiance of intellectual discourse, where first editions of literary masterpieces rest on coffee tables beside carefully selected contemporary sculptures. The kitchen, a chef's dream, boasts state-of-the-art appliances seamlessly integrated into sleek Italian cabinetry. A sprawling marble island sits at the heart of the space, serving as both a functional centerpiece and a gathering spot for intimate dinner parties. The dining area, adjacent to the kitchen, exudes timeless elegance with a handcrafted oak table illuminated by a suspended Art Deco chandelier, setting the perfect stage for stimulating conversations over vintage wines. Moving into the private quarters, the primary suite is a sanctuary of tranquility. A king-sized bed draped in Egyptian cotton linens commands the room, framed by custom-built nightstands and ambient lighting that casts a soft golden hue. Expansive glass doors lead out to a private terrace, where the gentle rustling of leaves and the distant twinkle of city lights create a setting of pure escapism. The ensuite bathroom, an epitome of spa-like indulgence, is adorned with floor-to-ceiling Carrara marble, a deep soaking tub, and a rainfall shower that transforms daily routines into moments of serene retreat. The residence also caters to Maher's lifestyle with amenities that reflect his varied interests. A state-of-the-art home theater, complete with plush reclining leather seats and an advanced sound system, serves as his personal retreat for film screenings and late-night binge-watching of classic Hollywood cinema. A private gym, equipped with the latest fitness technology, ensures that his sharp mind is housed in an equally formidable physique. A sprawling library, lined with dark mahogany shelves, stands as a testament to his voracious reading habits, offering a curated collection spanning political history, philosophy, and satire. Stepping outside, the estate's lush backyard is nothing short of a private paradise. A pristine infinity pool shimmers under the California sun, its edge seemingly melting into the verdant hills beyond. A secluded garden, framed by mature olive trees, offers a quiet retreat, while an alfresco dining area, complete with a handcrafted stone fireplace, provides the perfect setting for evening soirees. For an added touch of indulgence, an outdoor entertainment pavilion, replete with a fully stocked bar and artisan-crafted seating, ensures that guests experience nothing short of sheer luxury. As one might expect, Maher's love for sleek aesthetics extends to his garage, which houses an enviable collection of luxury automobiles. A Tesla Model S, reflecting his commitment to both innovation and sustainability, sits alongside a classic Porsche 911, a vehicle as timeless as the man himself. A vintage Aston Martin DB5, a nod to old-school sophistication, completes the collection, each car embodying a different facet of Maher's persona, sharp, elegant, and unapologetically unique. In a world where excess often overshadows elegance, Bill Maher's estate stands as a reflection of a man who values intellect as much as indulgence. It is not just a residence, but a realm of ideas, conversation, and quiet luxury, perfectly mirroring the mind that has entertained, provoked, and challenged audiences for decades. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next update.